Morning boys and girls, Mitch of the bushveld here. Join me as we have a look at the blanket backpack. Stay with me. Now the blanket backpack I find is very useful if you're wanting to travel light, travel fast and cover distance. Also comes in handy if possibly you've damaged your backpack, you can't use it anymore and you need to pack up your gear and get back out. Today we're going to be using my blanket, my tarp and a bit of webbing. Let me move the camera and I'll show you how we do this. So as you can see, I've folded my blanket in half, the edges meeting in the middle. Now we can start putting our gear on. Once again, we start with our soft items in the middle. Get our shelter kit, water bottle, whatever you need to carry. Here's my ridge line, folding saw, my flint and steel, my gloves. Once again, things that you're not going to be needing straight away, possibly only once you get to camp. Bring this a little bit forward. We're going to fold the blanket over it, making a neat little package. Let's fold over the front. Just like that. I'm going to take the bottom edge, fold it over, then we're going to start folding the whole package over, keeping it nice and tight. Once we get here to the end, you flip it over, take this last little section, fold it in. We've got a nice neat little package. We can take our webbing, we can start strapping it up. Okay, so to wrap this up, we're going to take our cordage. I'm using webbing, you can use paracord. Make a little loop on the one end. Gonna start with our first rung, bringing our loop up, take our long end through, taking that all the way through and cinching it as tight as we can. Gonna come down, make our next rung. Trying to keep everything nice and neat. Pull it through. And now for our last one. So there's our first three rungs. From here we're going to go around the other side. You can see our three rungs there. And we're going to go over and under each rung. Go to the next one, over, under, last one, over, under, over the top, back down to our first rung, feed it through, and I'm just going to tie it off with a simple overhand knot, keeping it nice and secure. Now to attach our tarp, place it on top, go over the pack, back down to the top rung, bring it back over, once again, you can tie it off. The slippery hitch, these pieces, and just tuck in there. Now to add on our back straps. Now for our straps, I'm using my shemagh. Now on the pack is the side with a whole bunch of knots, and the side that's nice and smooth. We're going to put it on the smooth side. Getting the shemagh through the top, getting it nice and even. going to cross them over and we're going to tie them off on these bottom rungs. To get your measurements for you, place your elbow underneath the shemagh, tuck it under, tie it off. Same thing this side, measure with your elbow, tie it off. Now your backpack's ready to go. Well, there we go guys, the blanket backpack. Super comfortable, super light, super easy to make. I'm Mitch of the Bushveld. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.